Unit 5. Our customs and traditions. Getting started. Tet is coming.
Wow, this girl looks so cute.
Yeah, she is my cousin. She is at Sardek Flower Village. Tet is coming soon. So many people visit flower villages to take pictures with the blooming flowers.
I'm fond of admiring the flowers. Does your family visit places like this too?
Yes, we do. We usually visit Nyat Tan village to buy kumquat trees and peach blossoms.
I see flowers and ornamental trees everywhere these days. What are they for?
We Vietnamese use plants and flowers for decorations and for offerings. They are an important part of our Tet tradition.
And what's that tall tree in the photo?
Well, it's actually a bamboo pole. People place it in the yard of the communal house. They hang decorative items like small bells and lanterns on it. They want to chase away bad luck and pray for a lucky new year.
Interesting. I didn't know that.